Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some homemade sweet Italian turkey sausages. I'm going to start off by showing you my ingredients for the turkey sausages. I have in the pan here, I have some fennel and coriander in the pan. I'm toasting it. Okay, I'm gonna toast that and then I'm gonna grind it up. Okay, just gonna toast it just for about a minute. Okay, this is the turkey sausage that I'm gonna use. This is 93 lean and 7% fat. I'm gonna add a little olive oil to the meat. Okay, so let me go over the ingredients with you. I have 1 pound of turkey meat, 1.5 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda. I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That's what I'm gonna add to the ground meat. 2 tablespoons of ice cold water. I'm gonna use 1.5 teaspoon of fennel, which is in the pan now, and I'm gonna turn it off. I have a tablespoon of brown sugar. I have 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of coarse black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander, that's in the pan, 2 teaspoons potato starch or cornstarch, whichever one you want to use. Okay, and have a pinch of red pepper flakes. You know, I like my stuff kind of spicy, so you don't have to add the pepper flakes if you don't like to. You don't have to put them in there if you don't like anything spicy. Okay, here are the spices I have in here. All right, I'm gonna grind those up. Get the spices ready for the sausage. Smells so good. Smell the fennel and coriander. Just toast it a little bit in the pan and you can smell the spices. Okay, just a little more. Add the 2 tablespoons olive oil. Okay guys, I placed the ground turkey in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes so it can cool off some more before I add the other spices to it. Okay, let me just go ahead and add the fennel and coriander into the meat. Okay, and let me mix up. I'm gonna mix up everything on the tray here. Okay. And after I mix it, I'm gonna place it back in the refrigerator for 1 hour. What I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna use this turkey meat on a pre-made pizza, and I'll show you that when I get ready to make that. Okay. when I was in Chicago, I had a really great pizza. It had turkey, sausages on it, and I wanted to try to copy that recipe. It was really good pizza. Okay, I'm gonna place this back in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Okay, all right, see you in a little bit. Hey, I just took the ground turkey out of the refrigerator. It's been in there for 1 hour. And these are the pre-made pizzas that we purchased this week. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some other ingredients to it. I'm gonna start with the cheese pizza. Now, if you've been watching me for a while, I got plenty of pizzas, recipes, homemade pizza recipes on my channel. So you can look up how to make a pizza from scratch. But for some reason, Bill and I were out yesterday doing some shopping, and we decided that, well, the pizza we had in Chicago was really good. It was really expensive too. It's like we had the pizza delivered to our hotel room, and it was like $76 for 2 pizza. So we decided that, well, we're gonna try the sausage recipe on the pizza and see how that tastes. And if it tastes really good, I will be making a homemade pizza with this sausage here. Okay, so let me take the plastic off of this pizza so I can get it ready to go in the oven. I'm preheating the oven at 425 degrees right now, okay? All right. You know, the pizza was good, but I don't think it was worth $70 for 2 pizzas. And they were no bigger than this pizza here that we have. So let me go ahead and add the sausages to it. I'm not going to test the sausages. I'm going to just add it to the pizza and see how that goes. Okay. You can make sausage links with this sausage or patties if you like. I'm just adding the meat and probably just add a little garlic. And I think I want some onions on this pizza as well. So let me do that. Add a little onions and a little garlic. Prepared pizza taste. All right. I like sausages, but I'm kind of partial to turkey sausages, and I haven't found any really good ones on the market. Jenny O used to make a really good one, but I don't know why, but I just can't find her Italian sausages anymore, so I don't know if she stopped making them or what. But I like making my own. That way I know exactly what's in it. And it's very easy to make it. I'm adding a lot of meat to this pizza. Maybe too much, but we'll see. All right. I think that should be enough. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the camera so I can get some garlic and onions on that pizza. Okay, let me add the onions and garlic to the pizza. Okay, I'm gonna place it in the oven here. I got it on a cardboard, but I'm gonna take it off the cardboard and let it cook for about 17 minutes, okay? That looks delicious. Okay, we got one more, and these pizzas cost about $4.76 or $4.96 at Walmart. So it's not a very expensive pizza, but I have used this brand before when I didn't feel like making a pizza from scratch, okay? So you have to try it. It's really a good pizza. Okay, let me put the cardboard under this one. This is Bill's pizza here. He likes pepperoni on his. And I'm gonna add some of the sausages to it as well. Okay, let me add the garlic and onions to the pizza. Okay, I'm gonna let you see what they look like when they come out of the oven, okay? Bill likes jalapenos on his. I gotta make sure I wash my hands with this pepper on my hands. Okay, let me just go ahead and wash my hands. Okay, it's ready to go in the oven. Okay, here's the pizza right out of the oven here. I just to cook up the remainder of the sausages. Thank you guys for watching.